Hello to my full site subscribers and to my done for you social media subscribers. Quick update. I'm going to cut into another video which I've already recorded, but I just wanted to do an intro. You will find some new campaigns. We're done for you social media. These will be new campaigns for you guys, full sighters. They've been in there, but you might not have spotted them because they're down at the bottom because they're seasonal. I kind of keep them out of the way and just kind of raise them as and when they are relevant. So I'm in the done for you social media, my account with the done for you social media. Let me just show you where I'm talking about. Full sighters, you'll have a bit more of a longer list here. Done for you social media guys, I'm building up your campaigns as we speak, but I've gone live with a new Healthier Workplaces one, probably since I last spoke to you, and you will find 4 new campaigns down here, which the video that's going to follow will explain to you what you can do. I mentioned in there that it's only for full site subscribers, but it's not. I forgot, I omitted the done for you guys, so sorry about that. Now there's one thing I didn't point out in that video which I wanted to make sure you knew about, and that is the fact that, let me go into one of these and I will describe these in more detail in a minute. In fact, I might have opened, no I haven't, sorry. So basically they are themed give the gift of, and it doesn't really matter, they're sort of flexible enough for you to do anything with them, whether it's massage, whatever your sort of skill set is. There's some in there for chiropractors, there's podiatrists, there's Pilates instructors, there's social media for kind of a couple of posts for each kind of discipline plus a bunch of generic posts. But what I wanted to show you, because I didn't mention it in the video that is going to follow, is that if you go into the setup tab, you can access, as usual, the main content for this campaign. And if you click on there, there's something in there that I need to just explain. You will find down here under the article web links, you've got some themed vouchers and certificates. So if you click on that link, it will open another window to an article with some stuff that we've produced in the past, which has got some gift certificates, and it tells you how to use it and everything. And you can download those here. I will just make sure the permissions are all set up so that you have got access to that. But you will be able to find all of those under there. So that's the other thing. And now we will cut into the video which shows you how to use these campaigns. Okay, enjoy guys. So basically if you click back on the My Account area, and you will find these under the Campaigns area. And if you scroll right down, these are all our lead generation campaigns, our current ones. So if you scroll down to the bottom of this list, as you can see, there's quite a lot of campaigns now on a whole range of different subjects. Let me just find, I forgot to tell you about the Halloween one, sorry about that. But you have got 4 different campaigns under here, which are give the gift campaigns. And they're basically 4 different themes. Let me show you them very briefly. There is a beach theme for my Aussie subscribers, and in fact I was chatting to one of my Aussie subscribers this morning on the chat tool, and she is just setting this page up. Now, let me just explain very briefly. The point of the campaign, let's go into this one, is it is, as I say, it's a give the gift of, and it's really kind of up to you what you want to do. Excuse me. But I have created a bunch of social media, and the social media is the same across all the campaigns. So I've tried to keep it kind of fitting and matching. But basically, you've got vouchers and gift certificates and all sorts of media kind of promoting physical therapy with a kind of Christmas theme on it. And it doesn't matter whether you're an osteopath, I think there's a whole bunch, there's gift certificates as well as vouchers. All these PDFs have been produced for you, and they are all on my site if you have the full site subscription. We have some cartoons in there. Remember, you can deactivate anything that you don't want to run. We have, a bunch of cartoons. We've got give the gift of physical therapy, and then if you want to use physiotherapy, that's there. If you want to use osteopathy, that's there. And I believe we have chiropractic and acupuncture, and I think we have a Pilates one, yeah. So there's a various different types depending on what your specialism is, and as I say, you can just deactivate any that you don't want to run. You've got some massage stuff in there. They're quite cool campaigns actually, so there's some good Christmas social media which you could start running basically from the beginning of December. We have an email autoresponder. Now we have the landing page. This is the key thing that you need to know about. Now this landing page, because I don't know what you're going to be doing, is customizable. So all you need to do is you need to add in your text in here. So let me show you just quickly how this works. So we're using the beach theme. So I'm going to say add your amazing offer here. Now this is currently the page. It says add a captivating headline here that makes them want to scroll down the page. I've now added that text in. I'm going to click update, and then I'm going to click preview, and it will open a new tab, and you will see that it's dropped my text in there. Now you can do this on all of these fields, so you can change these fields, you can decide on your call to action, and you can change that text, and then you can decide on all of this content as well using that editable, those areas there. So you'll get the hang of it. The form heading is obviously that area at the top there. The form button text is what's in the button, obviously. You can put whatever you want in there, but you have a choice of different calls to action, as you will see here. So you can either just get them to submit a form, that's the normal thing, and the lead will come into your leads tab here. So that's kind of our standard one. But you also have some options for book now, which you would then add a call to action URL in here. So you could send them to a booking form or anything else that you've got that has a URL with it. Or you can use call now, and assuming you've got a contact number for your customers set up in your My Account area, then that button will literally place a phone call. So you've got different options. We tend to use the submit form version, but as I say, it's completely your choice. You edit the text on here, you can format it using these, and that is pretty cool. So you just decide which theme you want to use, and then you go and set the campaign up from there. Excuse me. There is also an email autoresponder. So if as soon as somebody signs up, assuming you're collecting the leads, this autoresponder will trigger. You need to turn it on here so that it's active, and then you just need to write the email. Because I don't know what you're offering, I've just put some text in saying you can edit this email to provide follow-up details of your offer. So that's thanks for signing up, blah, 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 off you go and put whatever you want in there. So that is very quickly how those work, and the 4 themes look like this. You've seen briefly the beach theme, so that's quite a fun kind of one if you're in nice weather, lucky buggers, excuse my language. There is another one here which is quite a nice kind of sort of not a particularly religious theme, but just a nice sort of generic one, so that's that one there. And then we've got the more traditional themes, the good old Christmas tree, and again all the same. I've put some sample text in there for you potentially. I think I've probably just tried these out. And then that little theme. So you've got 4 different kind of themes that you can pick from. The social media, as I say, is the same for all of them. And you can find them all at the bottom of that lead generation campaigns section before it breaks into you won't have internal campaigns, but before you see the customizable landing pages. So you'll see them here, all those 4 campaigns. So that's ready for you for Christmas. If you want to go and find the various instructions and the other content that goes with that, so that would be things like the vouchers and the discount vouchers and the coupons and everything, just click that link there and it will take you into the piece of content where it will explain more about that on there. So that's that one.